Hello guys, today I'm flying a very different airline. It's a low-cost airline. However, there is a premium business class in this airline, so this is Air Asia X, Thai Air Asia X, flying me today from Bangkok to Seoul Incheon. So I've got a very low fare. I've paid about $300. They usually say what you normally pay is what you normally get. Let's see if this is better.
And for going to Seoul today, ticket number 14, and this is the boarding time at 15:30.
Okay.
Okay,
Is it really a full flight or is it an empty flight?
Flight full today.
Flight full today.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thai Air Asia X doesn't have a lounge for premium passengers, but the good news is you can pay 600 Thai bahts for lounge access after security in the Miracle Lounge. They also accept Priority Pass, Dragon Pass, and Lounge Key affiliated credit card. The lounge has a nice apron view between the two satellites. It also has a decent buffet spread with cold food, sushi, salad on one side, and hot food on the other side with predominantly Thai food. Hello guys!
My name is Tong Ka. My name is Prawa Ka.
My name is Sam Ka. Alright, I'm at Dongman and here's at the gate on the Air Asia X.
Yeah.
And do you notice what they're wearing? They're wearing these trainee jackets here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a
So you're actually an intern, you're not a full staff yet?
No. I'm
Oh,
a
okay.
executive,
Okay,
yes.
cool. And it's your dream to become a cabin crew or something, right?
Oh yes.
Alright. But tell us, what does the intern do here?
Intern do all
Yeah.
in the daily. We always do take care of passenger, provide them information about their flight, and take care of them when they have a problem, just like they miss the
Okay,
flight.
so you do basically all the groundwork
Yes.
and all the hard work to make sure the flight is on time, to get everyone on the plane and make sure everyone's
And
happy.
take them.
So I'm actually following one of the trainee here. She's gonna show me the plane, and I got a really red carpet treatment here. They're gonna show me before the general boarding, so I got to see the plane in a neat, very clean and tidy condition. Hello guys, how are you doing? All right. I was told I will have a tour of the plane. Which one of you gonna show me the plane? All right, I'll follow you. What's your name? A, okay. That's my seat.
1K.
Wow. A premium flatbed. I'm actually interested to see the rest of the plane as well. So, let me show the cabin. It's a quiet zone.
Quite a song.
Wow. They do look very good color. It looks like harmony.
Yes, the color is the blue light.
Blue lights.
On the ceiling.
Yeah, the moon
Yes.
lights. Yeah, it's the moon
After
lights.
take off and review within the cabin for the comfort.
Awesome.
So here, let's see.
Oh, what's the hot seats mean?
Hot
Is the
seat.
seats very hot?
It's mean like the longer leg room.
A longer leg room,
Yes.
hot seats.
It's near the emergency exit.
Alright guys, remember, take the hot seats next
Yes.
time.
And we have two kinds, but this is you can occupy the inside.
Oh, this seat has massive leg room. Look at this.
Yes. Also longer leg room, but we can attach the bassinet.
Attach the bassinet. Oh, okay,
Yes,
exactly.
For
For baby
family.
seat. Alright. And then, by the way, for people to remember, this is row 16. 16's got the big leg room, bulk set
Row
seats.
16 and row 17 also. Family.
Let's go.
Yes. So in the middle we have four lavatory.
For lavatory.
Yes,
Alright.
restroom. Yes.
I'll meet you after.
And also this is also same the row 17 and row 16.
Okay,
Yes.
so row 34 again is the hot seat
Yes.
here.
Hot seat.
Hello. It's a galley. Okay.
Galley and 2 lavatory.
2 lavatory.
And the aim of the aircraft we have only to like the privacy for the count.
Oh yeah. So this plane has 333 configuration.
Come to
And it's coming down to 2, 2, and 2. Okay, 2, 3, and 2.
Yes, from row 44 until row 51.
Row 44. Okay. Hello, guys. Hey.
Welcome on board.
So, hey, tell us how many total seats there is on AirAsia X
Yes,
on
we
A330.
have 377.
377.
Yes.
Awesome.
My name is Chui. I'm from Bangkok.
All right.
My name is Satida. I'm from Bangkok. Yes, Shashari from Bangkok too. Parashali from Bangkok. Bunsita from Bangkok. Janat from Bangkok.
Is there anyone not from Bangkok?
안녕하세요. 저도 한국에서 왔습니다. 박아등입니다.
Oh, I know you're not from Bangkok.
Tanisha from Bangkok.
Richard from Bangkok.
Awesome. Thank you so much. How many crew there is on this flight?
9.
Hello, Sawadee-Kap, Captain. Hello, guys. How are you guys?
Very good.
Right. Can you tell us how old this plane is? How many years old this plane?
For this one, I'm not sure about it. 8 years,
So it's one of the first delivery to AirAsia
Yes,
X.
one of the first.
Right.
Yes.
And how long is our flight today to Incheon?
About 5 hours and 15 minutes.
5 hours, 15 minutes.
Yes.
And at what cruising altitude will we be flying on?
Today we expect in the first we fly about 37,000 feet. And
Okay.
then after about Hong Kong airspace and Taipei airspace, we will climb to about 3,900 meters.
Right. So initial cruising at 37,000, and
Yes.
then once over Hong Kong, Taiwan, we final altitude at 39,000.
Yes, 39,000.
And what sort of speed will we be doing on this flight?
This flight is normally about 0.81 Mach. That's
Mach
all.
0.81, right. But this plane, and also what sort of takeoff weight do you have today? How many tons?
It's about 195.
195 ton.
Yes.
What's the maximum ton on this? 220?
233.
233, yeah.
Yes.
All right, it's very nice to meet you guys.
Yes, very nice.
Thank you very much for showing me the cockpit.
Seat number 69.
Oh no, this is about 330, not 3.
69 is on A380, right? You're flying an A330 today.
อินชอนสาธารณประโยชน์ได้นะคะขอบคุณค่ะ
It's all set to leave for Incheon, and yep, 5 passenger only today in the premium cabin with 12 seats. Looks like I pay a lot less. I did get a lot more. Hopefully that's the way on the flight.
วิธีการใช้ให้สวมเข้าทางศีรษะปรับกระดานข้างให้ตึง To use it, zip it over your head like this, clip on the waistband and pull it tight. ซึ่งแถบสีแดงนี้ที่ประตูทางออก เพื่อให้เสื้อชูชีพของลง
Would you like to appreciate any food or drinks?
Yeah.
Today we have the special menu for the season. This seasonal is the sweet potato bun and roll. This is purple one.
Oh, okay, cute.
And this one is a coconut pudding. It's a delicious and popular menu for
So that's
our
one of your
island.
hot sellers.
Yeah. And for another one we have the juices for the
Yeah.
belly bus.
There you go. Next to the next.
Yeah. So it's called Kang Pao chicken.
Okay.
Sichuan
That's
style
what I
chicken.
ordered, yes.
Enjoy your meal.
Yeah, thank you very much. So I ordered a Kung Pao chicken online, and you can select your meals. There are about 6 choices. That's all included in the air tickets on the premium class, and there's also a Coke and water included. I just finished my meal, and well, I think it's pretty fair. It's a complimentary meal. I can't ask too much. Of course, it's not like a business class or first class on the flight, but the meal is decent. It tastes all right. I'm satisfied. Look at who I am with. I'm with one of the most beautiful AirAsia crew.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Ariel. I'm Korean crew. Actually, my Korean name is Arum.
So her name is Arum. Okay, what's that mean in Korean?
It's hard to say, but the meaning is beautiful.
Oh, it means beautiful.
Yeah.
There you go. So I always want to ask you a question. What makes you to become a cabin crew? Is that a dream for you or is something else?
Actually, it wasn't my dream, but I was working for engineering for 6.5 years, and I was like, but I have an engineering project in Thailand, so I visit Thailand like 20 times. After that, I fall in love in Thai. So I would say anything that I can be live in Thailand, I'm gonna be choosing.
Oh,
this was the job.
I got you.
Yeah.
You love Thailand so much, so you found a job that is based in Thailand, and then also you can use your Korean skills. That's you
Yeah.
travel back and forth.
But after being cabin crew, I really love this job too. Like more than like living in Thailand, I love this job, this company, really awesome.
Yeah, I can tell she's actually a really awesome cabin crew. Alright guys, now I have another beautiful lady. She's actually the purser of this flight, and she looked after me really well. Okay, this is the beautiful Tanisha, and she's from Thailand. Okay, I just have one question for you. I've seen so many beautiful crews so far on the plane, and with this uniform, everybody seems to have an S shape. It's really curvy. Okay, is it comfortable? Like, do you like this uniform?
Sure, the red color is make a woman like more beautiful in my opinion. I like this uniform. It's very comfortable, and when I eat a lot, so this is really hiding my belly. Oh my god.
Oh, so yeah, wearing this uniform, it's quite tight, right? You can't eat too much, and then, it's good.
And hiding my belly, right?
Interesting that it's like, I don't think I would ever fit into one of these. I need 2 pieces of this, and then it's gonna explode, right? Guys, now it's behind the scenes, alright? So after the passengers ate, now we'll see what the flight attendant eats. Show you the cabin crew live. See what they're bringing their own street food from Bangkok. Look at this. This is chicken in the back. Pork. Oh, grilled pork.
Pork belly.
Pork belly. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. Why don't AirAsia serve something like a street food, okay? No. And why don't AirAsia have a massage? We need a spa here. We need a facial salon. We need something. Yeah. I had about 2 hours rest, very good rest on the flatbed. Well guys, I have to say I really enjoyed my low-cost premium experience, and I arrived fully charged. I felt I got a lot more than what I've paid for, and would definitely consider using AirAsia X again. As a premium experience would, my baggage was among the first to arrive. Thanks for watching, and please share your experience on AirAsia in the comment section.